Hi everybody, it's Cathryn from the Pink Designs, and I just wanted to say I did this project yesterday for a kit, and I forgot to tell you they're $3 each. Okay, at this moment when I'm filming this, which is yesterday, I had 15 of them left. Alright, so if you want them, please shoot me an email, okay? Alright, so my project today is again with Endless Love bundle. It is a box that measures 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 by 1, and it opens like this. Okay, so inside I thought these were keychains, but I guess they only have the bottom part. These are from Dollar Tree. They're the little pop hearts. A little stamper heart, which is adorable. This one has cherries and it says "You're sweet." So this, let me show you. These are from Dollar Tree. They came and quite a bit. I think there's 10 in there, and this has 10 of these too. Yeah, there is no change for them. All right, and some Hershey Kisses. Okay, so I thought this would be a cute thing for a little one. All right, so this is all we're using. We're not using any other dyes or anything. What we need is a piece of real red that is 11 by 7 3/4. I cut one of the largest hearts out of Bubble Bath. I cut the largest arrow out of real red. Again, I'm using the Made with Love Designer Series paper. We need 2 pieces, one of each of these patterns that are 3 by 3 1/2. 2 that are 1 3/4 by 3 1/2, and 4 that are 3/4 by 3 1/2. All right, let me get my Simply Scored, and we're going to start on the 11-inch side. Score at 3 1/4, 4 1/4, 8, and 9. Turn it to the 7 3/4 inch side and score at 1, 2, 5 3/4, and 6 3/4. Okay, now fold and burnish your score lines. Okay, let's start with the larger side over here. The smaller side is over here, and there are 2 1-inch strips on the top and the bottom. And this is what we're going to be doing. All right, let's start over here. Go to the first score line, cut it to the second score line, and take these 2 rectangles off. Go to the next score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the bottom square, and wedge the top. Okay, go to the next 2 score lines and cut them to the second score line. Take off the bottom square and wedge the top. Now cut these 2 rectangles off. Okay, so now turn it so that the 2-inch spot is over here. We're going to do the same thing in reverse. Go to the first score line, cut it to the second score line, and take these 2 pieces off. I didn't fold these. Okay, go to the next score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the bottom square, and wedge the top. Okay, go to the next 2 score lines and cut them to the second score line. Take off the bottom square and wedge the top. And take these 2 rectangles off. Okay, and then the last thing, I'm just going to wedge a little bit off these extra rectangles that are on the edge. Okay, all right, and that's what your cardstock should look like when you're done. Okay, I'm going to use liquid glue, and we'll start over here and put glue on each of these tabs. And take the score line on the tab and make it straight with the side of this inner rectangle. And the same with this side. Okay, and now go to this side, and we're going to attach this to the other side of that same inner rectangle. Okay, and that is your box. All right, now we need our DSP. The large ones are going to go on the front and the back of this flap. The smaller ones, I'm going to switch the DSP. So there's like a little line here that's a little different. So this one's going to go on the top and the larger hearts underneath. And then these go on all the sides. Okay, now we'll do some stamping. All right, first let's get our heart. And with Bubble Bath, I am going to put that group of hearts, Bubble Bath ink, here and down here. Okay. Now we need some basic white paper. Okay. Now I'm going to get real red ink and I'm going to stamp Valentine's. Now this one, you could use your stamping platform. We don't have one anymore. It was retired. Yeah, see that? I'll get it. But it is a little bit easier with your stamping platform. There we go. Okay. And then I'm just going to cut this out. I'm going to cut it straight on the top and bottom, and I'm going to leave about a ½ an inch. On top, on each side, I'm going to leave a ½ inch. Then I'll cut it down a little bit and flag it. Okay. Now I'm going to place this where I want it. And then we're going to get Happy and Day and real red ink. And I'm just going to place that there. I'm not going to put it down yet. Put Happy. And then Day. Okay, now we have it stamped. And I'm just going to get some dimensionals. And I'm going to place it right back in the middle here. All right. Now I'm going to cut, I'd say about this much there. And this much there. And we're going to put our arrows down. There we go. Okay. Now we need our box, and I'm going to put this evenly on the front of the box and put just a very light mark here, and that's where I don't want to put any glue after that mark there. You can erase it if you want to. All right, now let's get some 3/8 inch adhesive Velcro dots. All right, I'm going to put one on the top and one on the bottom, and then the other two matching upside down. Okay, and close the box, and hopefully it takes. Yes. Okay, now we need some red and white baker's twine. After I made this project, the bundle went out of stock. It is coming back in on February 2nd, so it's up to you if you want to make the bones of it and then order it, but a lot of people already have it. That's why it went out of stock twice. So hopefully a lot of you have it that watch me, or you could put your own decoration on there. And I'm going to get a glue dot. I'm just going to roll it up a bit. And then put it right at the top of that middle of the heart. Okay, and for the final touch, I'm going to be using some of these strawberry slush and pretty pink gems. Pretty in pink gems. I'm going to use the pretty in pink. I'll put one there, one there. Where did I put the? Oh, up here, and one up here. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, all my info is below. If you would like to buy one of the kit, they're $3 each. Not for this one. They're $3 each plus shipping. So just take that into account if you want to get multiples, because it's more value for your money in shipping. All right. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Bye.